In this video, I'll show you how to create manual classes in Xeropan Classroom. These are useful for supporting students who need extra help or for creating advanced groups for overachieving learners. Start by clicking the Xeropan Classroom logo in the top left corner to return to the Classes menu. In the top right corner, click Create Class. Add a name for your new class, select the language you want to teach, and click Create Class. Your class is now created, and you'll see the class code and class join URL. Students can join your class using either method. Click the copy icon to add the class URL to your clipboard. You can paste this into an email or your usual messaging platform. If students join using the class code, they must already be logged in with their organisational roster account. In the Xeropan app, students go to the My Profile menu at the bottom right. Then they tap the cogwheel in the top right corner and select Join a Class. They simply enter the class code and confirm to join. The easiest method is using the class URL. When students open the link on their device, Xeropan automatically shows a pop-up asking them to join the class. No manual navigation needed. That's how you create manual classes and help students join them. Use this feature to support learners who need extra practice or to challenge your advanced students. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.